Okay, like I promised you guys, I'm coming up with the Boss Babe series, so please follow me for more if you're a Boss Babe. Right, this video ideas, right, is for those consultants who actually, the style and beauty consultants who actually attended my school. Alright, so I have some video ideas for you guys. So you can do a get ready with me kind of videos, like share your morning routine, share your skincare routine, your makeup application, showcase your expertise and also your favorite products. If you're studying skincare as well, you showcase your products, right, and then you encourage viewers to share their own GRWM routine. Okay, for doing styling, who attended my styling class, right? Style tips and tricks series. Share quick and easy fashion advice like accessorizing or mix and match pieces. And share the knowledge of current trends or basic minimalist kind of style. Okay, and you encourage viewers to ask questions and share their own style tips. Number 3 is before and after. I always do a before and after transformation videos. Like I mentioned earlier, if you attend my class, right, get your friends. I mean, if you're new in this business, you have no portfolios, right, get your friends to be your guinea pig, okay? Do their before and after, do their makeup as well, and style them, and share dramatic makeovers or styling transformations videos, right, and showcase your skills and expertise. What have you improved? What does she need? What did she ask you to improve for her, you know? So you showcase all these things, and you encourage viewers to share their own transformation stories as well. And do product reviews. If, for example, if you're selling products, right, do a honest review of products and demonstration. As you can see, some of my videos are quite honest, right? And then showcase your favorite products and tools, and encourage viewers to ask questions and share their own product reviews. Whenever you do videos, right, always do a call to action kind of message, right, so that you encourage viewers to respond to you or to ask you questions or to share their own product reviews. The 5th idea is to do a Q&A and consultation videos. You can actually, if your friends are keen, you can do live with them, right? And then they can actually tell the viewers who's watching your videos, right? Like, what have they benefit from their transformation and, you know, maybe confidence, and they find that they dare to wear colors, you know. So you have to host a live Q&A session if you can, if you're daring enough, right? Because it's still new, but it's okay. To me, right, when you're on live streaming, it's to make new friends, right? It's just like when you're going to a network event, right? It's just to make new friends, and then you partner with them, right? And then you find customers for them, or they find customers for you. I always believe in hand kind of a partnership, right? So if you like this kind of series, follow me for more, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!